Hey guys, welcome back to Maxi and Akie's TV. Today we are going to be shooting these little targets and we're going to be like using these guns and like shoot them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, here's a little surprise.
Oh, you almost hit the camera on me.
Hey,
Akie, you need to wait. I will fix it.
Okay.
Akie, look, this one's look for here. No, Akie, get ready to your gun, Akie.
Where's my gun?
Okay, let's do the first. Who shoot first?
Me!
Akie, okay.
Me, because I'm an expert.
Go back here, Max. Go back here. Sit here. Okay, you should not go beyond this line, okay? Okay, come here, Akie. I'll help you. Okay, first shoot, Max. Okay, now, shoot now. Don't hit Akie, huh?
I know, actually.
Okay. Go. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's your turn.
No.
Okay. Where the ammo? Shoot now.
I'm waiting for Akie.
Shoot, Akie. Oh, don't do that. Oh, okay, it's your turn, Max.
So here's Akie's ball.
Don't go near. Don't go beyond this line. Okay, shoot.
But my turn.
Okay, your turn, Max. Your turn. Okay, squeeze turn.
That shoots so good. Oh, so close.
Okay, shoot now. Shoot now from here.
Tower.
Shoot now. Don't go near.
The big one.
Don't go near.
Ah, you're cheating.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, I'm done. My bullet's stuck in my gun. Hey.
Come here, I'll help you. Come here.
No! You're gonna break it!
No, I'll help you. Come here.
Hey!
Come
Stop
here.
pointing that gun at me.
Okay, good job.
I'm mad. That fell down. Yay, I got 4 blocks. Akie has 1. Dude, that was precise. Akie's moving it.
Can I do it for Akie?
For Akie! Hey, ho!
Yeah, times 2. It is on the top.
My turn.
I shot 1 for you. Go. I'll help you.
Politics! Dude, I'm precise. I'm precise. No, you're not precise. You barely even got a shot. Huh? Technical difficulties. Okay, I'm going another
Okay.
one. Don't touch that. Hey. Daddy's blocking it.
That's fine. Go to the other side. Go to the
Also,
side.
he's taking my tower that I'm attacking. You cheated.
That's fine.
That
Let's
is
go now.
cheating and plus, Mom.
Go now. Shoot now.
Acting move, it's my turn. Sorry, only knocks out. It didn't even fall. It only knocks out one block out here. My turn. It's my turn. My turn. Dad, he already shot.
It's your turn, Max. Just hit Max.
I can't. He's trying to ball into my head. If he's gonna be like this, I can't. And no need to rush. Oh, I got in the line.
Okay, good job, Max.
I got in the line.
Okay, let's go. Good job.
Let's go. Knock one out. My turn. That's
Okay,
fine.
your turn, your turn.
I got one. Aki, zero. Got zero. Aki, we take turns shooting. Fine. I did not shoot.
Again.
Okay. I have to fix my gun. Ooh, that's a pierce shot. Let me turn this way. This is not looking. I shoot the potato. No potato. No. Look. I shoot the potato. Dad, I shoot the potato. Got something. You shoot the potato, Connor. My turn. My turn.
Dagan-dagan to pala, ano?
Guys, also if you are still here, comment down below if I have good accuracy. Same with Aki. Aki, stop cheating. Okay, that's just kidding, one. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna shoot that. Yes, oh my God, I hit it! I hit the block, so that means if I touch,
We eliminate all of them.
so even if I don't knock it down, it still counts as getting points.
Okay.
Because, and whatever's else of it. So I took out a whole tower right there.
Mm-hmm.
I literally knocked out a whole tower. Dad. Dad, I won't use my hand a lot. Dad,
Okay.
do you think we should do a little building challenge at the end of the video?
Okay.
So and then you rate it.
Mm-hmm.
And Aki gets a 0.5 booster since I know he definitely will get a good score when he's building. So he gets a 0.5 boost. Let me reload. What do you shoot?
Okay, put it on your...
I shoot this potato.
Okay, your turn, Max.
I know.
Where are the other ammo?
I shoot my potato. Now.
Don't hit Daddy.
Yeah, I'm definitely not trying to. No, seriously, I'm not. Why do you think I'm putting my eye on the close scope?
Okay, shoot now.
I hit something.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure I hit it. I also hit the ground piece, so I think that one. Jeez, I'm actually getting a lot of points. Despite my good accuracy. Happy.
Look at here. Look at here.
Let's shoot the potato. I'm shooting the potato. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Okay, he gets 1 point. I think it's fair for him to go close up because I mean.
Who's winning now?
Me? Me! Look at my stash.
Akie,
No, that's what I cook. My stash.
Akie, the potato.
Where's the ball? Can we use the ball this time?
This is my potato.
Just share, just share.
But this is my stash. This
Okay.
is yours.
Just give it. Max, I'll give you score. Come here, I'll give you score. Come here.
That's my spices.
Okay. Which one is yours? That one? Okay, this is Kuya. Okay, I add some for you, Kuya. No, Aki. No, like that. This is Kuya. This is yours. Shoot more. Shoot more.
Oh, just took some.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. I'll just give Aki this one.
Okay, that's a building brick, I guess.
Okay, continue.
I really think I should try to get one of these double guys.
That's double score.
I know! And what I'm actually going to is this one, because it really looks not sturdy. I want to go for these, but they're just single, and this one, I'm not really
So this is double score if you can knock this one.
double score,
yeah,
double score.
the
Everything
top,
that's at the top is double
Okay.
score. Everything here at the bottom, regular score.
Okay, shoot now, Aki.
Actually, hold on. Let me see. Let's shoot this place. Go. I did not shoot
Again,
this.
What's that for?
Again,
Shoot this
More.
place.
I'll give you. You can shoot from here. This you can shoot from here. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm going for a double
Okay.
one, so I need
Uh huh.
3 seconds.
Okay. Don't shoot me.
I know!
Okay.
Except don't get in the way for the double one. So that.
Look at Aki. He's observing you.
More napkins. Ah, what's that telescope? I wonder if I can spam bullets.
Can I have that one? Can I have that one?
Yeah, you can.
Again.
Okay. Here.
Okay, I need to catch up, Max. Need to catch up.
I'm throwing a spear next. You like my dual blade swords?
Good job, Max. You're talking to your friends. You talk to your friend there.
Okay, so ready, Aki?
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do the double score. You miss it, Aki.
Rip Aki, rip Aki. No!
It's fine.
I'm gonna throw a spear at these guys. You like my
Okay,
spear?
faster, Max. I'm catching up. I'm catching up with score.
Let's go!
Oh!
I used a
That's
spear.
not possible.
That's a spear.
Okay. Can I
If
use
it's
the
in the
ball?
ball.
Can I use the ball?
If it's in the blue area, if it's in the blue area, that means it's usable.
Look, can I use the ball? I hit it, Aki.
So I got 3 points. I get to tell real please. Kill me. Okay, so I'm basically gonna skip 1 turn because I'm using 2 projectiles.
Max, maybe that's dangerous. You can hit other. No, don't use that one. You can hit the TV. Okay. What are you doing?
Okay, where's my bullet tips? Can I touch sniper later, Aki? Yeah. Hey!
Hey, hey.
Mm!
Hey, good night.
No longer hold the chair.
Come
Yeah, I'll
on.
hold it for you. I will hold it for you.
Dad, What do you mean?
Okay, I'm holding the chair. Come here. Okay.
I shoot the pumpkin.
That's it, the second set.
Hey, put it there, Akie. Don't fix it. Put it there. Akie. Oops. Did you hit Akie?
Look, I got the pumpkin.
Yeah, put it there. Put it there. Yeah, that's score. That's your score.
Put the pumpkin here. That's mine. I'm gonna skip the turn for another balloon too.
Akie won the shooting.
Yeah, and I'm gonna use this cup. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, shoot unlimited ones.
No, unlimited arrow.
Uh-huh.
My turn. You know what? I'm going to the place.
No, don't use that one. Don't use that one. Max,
Hey, you should
don't
cup.
use that one. Only Nerf, or you can use the ball. Ball, where's the ball?
You used it. If you said no arrow, I'm sacrificing all my points. Bombs away! Look, I used some of my box.
Remind me, we will buy a Nerf ammo like this.
I'm gonna use my blocks. Hey, that's my
Destroy more
bomb.
blocks.
K.O.
You said unlimited ammo. Be more specific on what you said.
Okay, let's do the shooting like this. Right here. We'll shoot that thing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, let's shoot it, Akie. Come here.
Let me.
Look at me. Look at me here. I'll shoot here. Bam. Do you see that?
Hey, you swim triple shot. What pumpkin? I'm gonna do
Okay,
it,
let's shoot it. Only one at a time. Come here, let's shoot it.
but unlimited ammo.
Okay,
There's
1,
no
2,
rate.
3. Go. Let's go, Akie. Let's hit it. Here.
Am I doing something? Just imagine how mad mom's gonna be.
What? The mess? We need to clean this one after.
Not my fault.
Why? But you need to help. We're team. See that? Wow.
Anything?
Can I shoot your legs?
No. That's a illegal ability. Hey guys! Guys, look who can join in to kill everything. QB. Are you 100% sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go, yeah.
Hey, look at here.
Hi guys, I'm putting these things up. Akie, that's dangerous. But
What you're building?
this is like an elevator with people on top them.
Mm-hmm. So what you gonna do next?
And I'm gonna put this thing.
You want me to smash that one with the ball?
No!
What?
It's gonna fall down. And it's gonna fall in my head. head when you hit it when you hit it with the ball.
So what's your plan with that one?
And next
You'll
thing,
just arrange like that?
and next thing you put this thing in the bottom.
So is that a building or a parking lot or a parking space?
No, it's the parking space is here, and the parking where the cars goes bump here, and the cars goes bump here, the cars goes bump here, the cars go bump here, and the car bump here, the car bump here, the car bump here, the car bump here and here.
Okay.
And next thing, let's put the trailer and the car. And let's put the and next thing we gonna do here. So it turns out you can double. You have it's actually the capacity for arrows. Turns out there's enough for a double shot. Give me the bow.
So explain it here. Come here.
Bow. Give me this.
Come here.
Come on, Aki. Give me this. Give me this. Aki.
Kuya, turn
Well,
first. Come
I
here.
never.
Okay.
Oh. This,
Aki,
the
it's
viewers will
Kuya's
never know because I'm stubborn Aki. Who makes it stubborn?
Okay, Kuya first. Kuya first. Kuya first.
No, you got.
Kuya
Give
first.
me.
Come here. Let's go outside. Let's try this one outside.
My
Come here.
turn.
Okay, your turn first. Come here. Okay.